This is the biggest festival of the nation. More importantly, this is the biggest choice that you make. And we keep talking about problems, but this is the only way to become part of the solution. By voting right, by choosing the right government. And I think we are, of course, voting for many more job creation. And, we are voting for economic growth. We are voting for a stable government. We are voting for more, ease of business policies. And yeah, that's all that we are voting for.
Well, that was well said. Coming to you, Ghazal, what sectors, as a business person also, what sectors you would like to see improvement in as a citizen, as a business person, coming finance in it? Tell us about that.
I think in the last few years we've witnessed not just one but each of the sectors growing beautifully here in our country. It's because the focus is not just on, let's say, manufacturing or job creation. It's across, including AI, including technology, and that's what I wish that we continue to see. Continuity on improvement, on making a mark and taking India global the way it's being talked about today is something that that's my wish from this biggest festival like we talked about.
That's amazing. One last question, and it's open to you both. Are your hopes high with the country for economy reaching to $5 trillion economy? What are your hopes? What are the expectations?
No, of course. I think if you look at the global geopolitical scenario, India is the best placed economy in the world. Right? We have the most amount of talent. We have a very strong consumption economy. We are already inching towards a $5 trillion GDP. And we have had a stable government for 10 years, and hopefully we'll have another 10 years of stable governance. Right? There is no geopolitical conflict, so to say, which has been tearing a lot of other countries in the world. And hence, I don't think there is a brighter spot in the world than India. And this is the place to be.
Definitely. Some words from you, Ghazal.
No, I think Varun summed it up really well. I would just say that the Josh and the hope, both of them are really high, and we are rooting for it.
Well, India is.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.